Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be creating a makeup look for New Year's, which I'm super excited about. We're not in our normal background, what we normally have, but today we're going to be filming in my little beauty area. This year has been not so good for me. I really didn't share this in any of my social media, but this year I lost my grandfather. I wasn't able to see him one last time, and I really haven't shared this with you guys, but the reason why I wanted to go to Mexico was to actually be able to see my grandpa. Hopefully this New Year is gonna be going well, which I'm very excited about. So yes, you guys, this is gonna be a New Year's look, and let's go ahead and get started with this video. You guys have been requesting that I should do another look using the Wanderlust palette, which is this one right here. I am obsessed because the colors are so beautiful and they're very pigmented. Okay, you guys, before anything, I went ahead and already applied my foundation off camera, and I also went ahead and applied my concealer, and I also did my eyebrows off camera to speed the process. Before anything, I like applying translucent powder underneath the eye just in case if there's any kind of fallout. I'm actually gonna be using the Airspun, which is this one right here, and it's very affordable. You could find this, I believe, at is it Walgreens or CVS or Walmart. You could totally find this there. Now using the shade Nostalgia, I think I'm pronouncing that wrong. If I am, I'm really sorry, but I'm gonna go ahead and use that shade and apply it on my crease area. And for eyeshadow base, I'm actually using the Make a Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade C8. Now using the shade Coast, I'm gonna go ahead and blend the shadow out. If you guys do hear a noise in the background, it's like actually my little heater, because right now I'm like freezing inside my room. Guys, I'm really sorry if there's like a noise in the back. I'm also going to go ahead and use the shade Nostalgia, and I'm going to apply this on the inner corner area of my eyelid. And using the shade Statement, I'm going to go ahead and blend it out. And next we're going to go ahead and use some concealer and apply this on the center area of the eyelid. Now next I'm going to go ahead and use the shade Hypnotic, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this on the lid area. And next using the shade Majesty, I'm going to go ahead and apply this on the center area of the eyelid. Now using the shade Illusion, I think that's how you say it. I am so sorry if I'm mispronouncing these words, but I'm going to go ahead and apply this on the brow bone area. Now next I'm going to go ahead and use the shade Statement, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this underneath of the lower lash line. And going back with the concealer, I'm going to go ahead and apply it also underneath on the center area of my eyelid. And going with the shade Hypnotic, I'm going to go ahead and apply that shadow underneath the lower lash line. Now next I'm going to go ahead and apply the shade Majesty on the center area where I applied my concealer. Okay, so this is what I have so far for the eye. I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is what I have so far for the eyes, and I also went ahead and applied some falsies. Now next we're going to go ahead and bronze the face. Now for that we're going to be using the PROFUSION Highlight and Contour palette, which is this one right here. And we're going to be using this bronzer right here, and we're going to go ahead and bronze the face.
The
next I'm gonna go ahead and apply some translucent powder underneath the contour as well as on the side of my nose to define underneath the contour. For blush, we're going to be using the Mixed Metals 10 Eye Color and Face Palette, which is this one right here. And we're going to be using the shade Serene, and we're going to go ahead and apply this on the apples of the cheek. And next, we're going to go ahead and remove the translucent powder. Now next we're going to go ahead and set the face. We're going to be using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, which is this one right here. And we're going to go ahead and apply this all over the face. And next we're going to go ahead and apply some highlight. Now for that we're going to be using the Highlight and Contour Palette by PROFUSION. And we're going to be using the shade Opal Glow. And we're going to go ahead and apply this on the high points of the cheek. Now next we're going to go ahead and use the shade Passion, and we're going to go ahead and use this as our lip for today. And next I'm going to go ahead and line my lips using the Lipliner Passion. And next I'm going to go ahead and use the PROFUSION lip topper in the shade Passion. I'm also going to go ahead and apply this on my lips. So this concludes for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy this video of me creating this look. And let me let you guys know that the palette of course works so nicely. I love the shadows, they blend nicely. I was able to create this beautiful fun look for you guys, which I hope you guys did enjoy. All the products I used in this video will be linked down below for you guys to go ahead and check out. I also did another video using the same palette, which I'll be leaving the link down below for you guys to go ahead and check out. And for those of you guys that are new to this channel, welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing. And for those of you guys that are returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for being subscribed and being part of this journey, which means so much to me. And for those of you guys that are new to this channel and haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit the little subscribe button down below, as well as hit the little notification button right next to it so you could be alerted whenever I upload a new video. I also do have social media, which I'll be leaving all those amazing links down below for you guys to go ahead and check out. This is the last video of this year. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. This is it for this video. Happy New Year's, happy 2019. And when this video is going to go up, it's actually going to be going up on New Year's Eve, which I'll be packing to head out, and of course enjoy my night. And yes, you guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and until next time, I'll see you next year. Bye.